Okay, good day class. Our lesson for today will be plane geometry. So tapos na tayo ng trigonometry and algebra. I hope this will refresh your memory about geometry. Okay, so next meeting magkakaroon tayo ng solid geometry. So this is a two-part discussion. So let us begin. I have prepared here 21 questions. So after 5 questions, we'll take a break. Okay? So ano nga ba yung mga nakapapaloob dito sa ating plane geometry? So every problem, meron tayong iba't ibang technique dyan, iba't ibang application, and then iba't ibang formula na kailangan nating gamitin. Ano-ano ba yon? Okay? Pagdating dito, meron tayong sa polygons, sa circle, kaya nga tayo plane geometry, all we have to talk about are their areas. Okay? Meron tayo iba-ibang figures dyan. So every question, tignan natin kung ano-ano ba yun. Pero let us begin here. Pagdating ng inyong regular polygon. Ano nga ba ang polygon? Polygons are a plane figure that has vertices and then vertices, edges, or sides. Now, meron tayong mga katangian ng polygons mo dyan. Number one, meron kayong diagonals. Ano nga ba yung diagonal? So, let us make a figure here. Insert tayo ng draw. Ito. Draw a figure. Yan. Draw a figure like this one. And then, ano ba yung diagonal, sir? Diagonals are anything that is drawn from the vertices to another vertex. On opposite vertex. Ayan. Hindi adjacent vertex. Ayan, diagonal. Medyo pangit lang yung drawing. Ayan, diagonal. These are diagonals. Ngayon, in order for you to know the number of diagonals na meron ka dyan, you'll use this one. Ano ba yan? Yung formula na ND. The number of diagonals, NC2 minus N. Where N is the number of sides ng iyong polygon. Yan. Number of sides. Yan. The number of sides of the polygon, N. So, saan mo pipindutin yan dito sa calculator? Sir, ganito yan. So, you shift NCR. Okay? You put the value of N here sa before C and then after C is 2. And then minus the number of sides. Now, we have a square. Okay? A square or a quadrilateral. Apat ang kanyang legs or sides. So, apat ang kanyang sides. We input yung sides and then minus natin sa number of sides. So, the number of diagonals are 2. Paano naman, sir, kapag pentagon? Pentagon, 5. So, 5, C2 minus 4. Minus 5, that is 5. That's pentagon. Ganun lang, pag number of diagonals. This is the formula. Now, ano pa naman yung isa pang katangian, the interior angles. Now, for your interior angles, tandaan mo, ang interior angles kasi are yung loob na angle. Yan. So, the total number of the angles, kapag naman na regular polygon, regular din naman ng edge angle. So, the interior angle is equal to theta. Okay? Theta, interior angle, nag-iisang interior angle. Ito lang. Equal to 180 degrees minus 360 divided by n. Paano naman kapag total of the total number of interior angle? Sum of interior angle. Ganito yun, the sum of interior angle. Equal to ilan? Nga. Pwede ba, sir, na pwede bang n, the number of sides multiplied by Ewan kung tama ako, So, ito na lang gamitin natin. Interior angle, the sum of interior angle. Multiply mo na lang ng n. Ito na yun, para hindi ka na nalilito. Sinimplify na siya dyan. The interior angle theta. Yan. So, meron pa bang calculator technique yan? Mamaya, turo ko sa inyo. Pero this time, let us proceed muna para hindi tayo tumagal. Maya na yung sum of interior angle. Okay. The area of the polygon. Ngayon, pag regular polygon, sir, meron ba tayong mga mnemonics dyan para mas madali nating matandaan? Yes, there is. So, ganito kapag ang polygon mo daw, walang nakabalot na circle or any circle sa kanyang loob, this is 1/4 NB squared cotangent 180 over N. Sir, paano ko ilalagay sa calculator yan? O di 1/4 times NB squared. Ano ba yung N? The number of sides. B is the length of the side. Okay? Cotangent. O di 1 over tangent. Tangent. 180 over N. Where N is the number of sides, B is the length of the side. Tandaan nyo, habang daw nagkakaroon yan ng circle, ano mas malaki? Yung circle, ibig sabihin lumaki ng bahagya. So, 1/2. 1/2 Naruto sine 360 over N. Okay? Ito naman, circumscribe yung circle. Kapag inscribe in a circle, ibig sabihin, that is inside. Ngayon naman, pag sinabing inscribe about a circle, inside pa rin yun. Circumscribe in a circle, ibig sabihin, nasa labas ng circle yung iyong polygon. So, that is, yung area niya, area nito, 1/2 Naruto. Naruto sine 360 over N. Ngayon naman, ito, Naruto tan 180 over N. So, si Naruto lang tatandaan mo. So, NB squared cotangent 180 over N. So, let us move on. Pagdating dito. Yan. In naming your polygons, yan kapag one side, walang ganun Two sides, walang ganon. So, the minimum side of the polygon is 3. Anong tawag dito? Triangle. Kapag 4 side, square, no, that is quadrilateral. Quad. Ayan. 5 side, pentagon. 6, hexagon. 7, heptagon. 8, octagon. 9, nonagon. Nonagon. Kapag 10, decagon. 11, undecagon. Undecagon yan. Undeca. Pag 12, dodecagon. Kapag 13 and so on, ito lang kailangan tandaan. Kapag 20 sides, icosagon. Icosagon. Kapag 10,000 sides, anong tawag dyan? Miriagon. Kapag 1 million sides, pag 100,000, meganon. So, this is miriagon. Pag 100,000, meganon. Paano kapag 10 million sides? Walang ganun. Okay? 10 million sides, walang ganun. Each angle of a regular icosagon, so this is interior. Ang tinatanong, each angle. Hindi naman sinabing the total interior angle of each regular icosagon. So, icosagon, this is 20 sides, is equal to. Ano yung formula niya? Okay? The formula is theta equal to 180 minus 360 over N. Yan. So, pwede ba natin 'tong, i-extract? So, cross-multiply ko lang muna, So, cross-multiplying theta is equal to n 1 times 180 minus 360 over n. Ngayon, further simplifying, theta equal to, ilabas na natin yung 180. 180 n minus 2 over n. This is the simplified formula for the interior angle. Okay? Nag-iisang interior angle yan. Ngayon, kapag sum of all interior angle, kaya hinuli ko para ma-derive ko, equal to 180 times n minus 2. Yan. This is for the sum and this is for the individual. So, yung individual, ito yung sum. So, don't forget about this, Hinuli ko siya para i-derive natin. Ngayon, tinatanong dito the interior angle. So, icosagon, 20 sides. Icosagon equal to 20 sides ay cosagon. Yan. So, we will know the interior angle kung ilan siya. Okay. So, theta ay equal to 180 times n, that is 20 minus 2 over 2. So, in calculator, that is 180 times 20 minus 2 over 2. Hindi, n pala, 20 yan. 20, n. 20. Angle is 162. 162 degrees. Okay? Ngayon, for the total angle, the sum of interior angle, the 180 times 20 minus 2. 3 to 40. Wait, i-post ko muna. Okay, so the answer is 3 to 40. Then for number 2, how many sides have a polygon of the sum of the interior angle? Yeah. How many sides daw? Yung polygon. So, ito yung sum of your interior angle. So, that is the sum. So, 1620 degrees. Okay. Meron tayong formula dyan na 180 n minus 2. Now, divide both sides by 180. So, 1620 divide by 180. That is 9. Equal to n minus 2. So, lipat ko yung 2. N will be 11 sides. Okay. Now, kung 11 sides yan, alamin naman natin yung number of diagonals. For the number of diagonals, tandaan mo. Ulitin ko yung number of diagonals will be, ayun NC2 minus N. So, NC2 minus N. Yan. So, let us press Shift NCR. So, 11 C2. Okay. Yan. Tapos minus N. N is number of sides 11. So, the number of diagonals will be 44 sides. 44 diagonals. Yan. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali ang sum of interior tsaka diagonals. Number 3. How many sides are there in a polygon if each interior angle is 150 degrees? So, binigay sa interior angle. 150. You'll know the side. Ngayon, ano ba yung formula nila? Sir, ganito yung formula nila. 180 n minus 2 over n. Ganito yan, sir, para madali matandaan. Di ba yung interior angles is a single angle per vertex. Ngayon, yung total interior angles are the, tawag dito, total interior angles is just yung interior angle minultiply mo sa number of vertices. So ito, tatanggalin mo lang yung end sa baba para makuha mo yung total number of interior angles, the sum of interior angles. Ngayon, kapag naman, kaalamin mo naman yung interior angle itself, each interior angle, i-divide mo na number of vertices. Okay? Vertices or sides. So, we'll know yung end. So, 150, tapos multiply natin, and tapos multiply, n equal to 180. Tapos, distribute ko na yung 180 dito sa loob. So, this will be 150n, 180n, minus 360. Ilipat ko si 360. So, 180 minus 150. Labas ko si n equal to 360. Divide ko ng 180 minus 150. N will be equal to. So, 360 divide by 30. So, that is 12 sides. Dodecagon. Okay, so we have solved number 3. What about number 4? How many diagonals are there in a polygon of 22 sides? Sir, meron pa po bang ibang formula pagdating dito? Let us see. Meron pa ba? Number of diagonals. Alahanin ko muna. Meron pa bang number of... Yes, sir. Meron pa. Meron pa tayong formula. Kapag hindi mo alam kung paano isosolve. Okay? So, number of diagonals equal to. Meron pa tayong isang formula dyan. 2 over 3. Mali pala. So, n over 2 tapos n minus 3. This is another formula for your number of diagonals. Yung isa, yung shortcut, yung NC2. So, this is the longer method. So, kung meron kang 22 diagonals equal to number of sides will be, wala pang number of diagonals. O, yan. So, that is 22 over 2 tapos 22 minus 3. Okay. Check natin kung mag-i-equal sila dun sa formula na ginawa natin kanina. Okay. So, this will be 11 times 22 minus 3. That is 209 diagonals. 209 diagonals. Paano kung gamitin natin yung isa? ND equal to 22 C 2 minus 22. Try nga natin. Mag-equal sila. So, shift NCR 22 tapos 2 minus 22. The answer is 209. So, dalawa yung naging formula natin. Any of the two you want to use. Okay? So, number 5. In triangle A, B, C, angle A is 45 and C is 70. AB is 33 meters long. What is the length of the median from vertex A to side BC? Now, we recall the median. Ano ba yung median? Di ba ang median natin is anything that is drawn from a vertex dividing the opposite side of that vertex into two equal parts. Yun yung median natin. Sir, ano ba yung formula natin nga ng median? O ito, square root ng, mali, mayan natin yan. Square root ng twice nung side na hindi mo gagamitin. 2b squared minus, kumari, median A to. Yan. B squared plus 2c squared minus A squared over 4. Sir, may nagtatanong sa akin, Sir, bakit hindi ko na in-square yun sa baba? Kasi nga, in-square root ko na yan. So, pwede nitong ganito. 2b squared minus, hindi, plus 2c squared minus a squared over 2. Ano ba square root ng 4? Di ba 2? So, this is the median. And this median is the median drawn from the vertex A to its opposite side, which is A. Ayan, alamin natin. Drawing muna natin yung triangle natin. This is triangle ABC. A, B, C. Ngayon, nag-drawing ka dito. Length of the median drawn from vertex A to side BC. Yung median. This is the median. Ngayon, ang binigay sa yung sukat dyan is 45 degrees. Tapos, C is 70 degrees. And then, unknown itong side na to. So, this will be BC over 2. BC over 2. 33 meters long. Yung iyong AB. AB. 33. So, sir, may makukuha ba ako dito? Yes, pwede ka ditong since meron kang included angle dyan, pwede kang 1, 2, 3. Pwede ka ditong tawag dito, cosine law. So, alamin muna natin yung angle dito. So, 180 yung angle B. B will be equal to 180 minus yung 70 plus 45. So, 180 minus 45 plus 7 minus pala 7. The answer will be 65 degrees. Ngayon, makakapag ano ba ako dito? Meron akong 33, meron akong 65. Okay? So, hindi natin alamin nandito. Kailangan alamin muna natin yung mga angles nila. Pero pagdating dito, pwede ko nang alamin ito. Okay? Meron akong 45, meron akong 70, meron akong 33. So, this will be sine law muna. Using sine law, yan. So, AB, side AB over sine A will be equal to side BC over sine. Ano yung katapat ng BC mo? AB pala, AB is sine C. AB is sine C. Ito naman BC, yung katapat niya, A. Sine. Yan. So, we can now solve for BC. So, BC will be equal to, side BC is equal to AB sine A over sine C. Check na natin. Anong length? That is 33. 33. Tapos, sine A will be 45 over sine C. Sine C is 70. Right. This will be 33 sine 45 sine 70. Okay. The answer will be 24. Parang may mali ako. AB, tapos yung ilalim niya, sine. Wait, may tumatawag sa akin. Pause ko muna. So the value of BC is 24.83 meters. Now, ang hinahanap natin is yung wala pa tayong isang side. Median. So, meron na tayong BC, wala pa tayong, excuse me, AB meron na tayo, wala pa tayong AC. Hanapin natin si AC. So, side AC will be equal to yung katapat niyang angle, AC, AB, AB over sin C. Ano yung katapat ni AC? Sin B. So, AB is 33. Sin 65 over sin C is, hindi ako nagkakamali, that is 70. Nangyari. Yan, sin 70. Ayan. So, 31.82. 83 na lang. 83 meters. Okay. So, you have the values for the sides. Gamitin na natin yung median formula. Huwag na tayo mag-cosine do. Okay? Square root ng twice. Yung AB, yung BC kasi tinamaan. So, ang gagamitin natin AB squared plus 2 AC squared minus BC squared over 2. Yan. So, kung natin square root ng 2 times AB, which is 33 squared plus 2, 31.83 squared minus BC is 24.83 squared. Ayan. So, divide natin ng 2. The answer will be 29.94. Okay? Ganun lang kadali ang pag-solve ng inyong median. Okay? So, let's take a break. Let's resume after 5 minutes.